everybody, happy Friday, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with a vintage slash shabby wall hanging kit or banner kit for sale. I haven't done any kits in a while and I miss doing that, so I am putting out this kit today, and I'm going to show you what you get in the kit, and then I will show you one that I've made up myself to give you an idea of what you can create with it. So this kit is going to be $20 plus shipping, and it's very light for shipping, and I do ship with pirate ship, so it'll be very economical. I will ship international as well as within the US, and there are 5 of these kits available, so here's what you're going to get. You're going to get one of these canvas banners, and it's got this cute little silk cord hanger, and the size of this banner piece is 8 inches wide by 11 inches long, so it's 8 by 11 for your banner piece, and you can see it's a really pretty muslin color. And then you're going to get one of these gorgeous panels, this white panel with the rose, and it's got some dots on the background if you can see that. You're going to get a piece of this gorgeous ivory lace, and this is enough. This piece is large enough for you to cover the entire front and back of your banner. You're going to get a section of this gorgeous vintage lace. Beautiful. And this is like an really, really light ivory. You're going to get enough of this trim. It's almost 1.5 yards or 1.25 yards of this white organza trim with the ribbon in the center, and that is enough to go around your entire banner as well. And the same for the white pearl trim. It's like about 1.25 yards, and it's enough to go around the entire banner. You're going to get this section of 3 of the bridal beaded or sequined trim, and that's enough. This piece goes across the top of your banner, or it's the same width as your banner. You're going to get 1/2 yard of this gorgeous lace, and it's white. You can see it's got the little bows and the little flowers. You're going to get 3 vintage doilies. Here is the first one, and it's white. Isn't that pretty? The flower. And then this one is a really, really delicate, also with the flower. This is an ivory. And then the last one is more of like a cream or a tan, and this is also vintage. So 3 vintage doilies, and then you're going to get one of these little packs that's got a bunch of little appliques in it. So I will show you. You're going to get 2 of the white lace butterfly appliques. You're going to get 2 of these pretty lace flowers. You're going to get 2 of these cotton medallions, and you're going to get 3 of these adorable little bows. So what is that? 2, 4, 6, that's 9 appliques. So I think that's a pretty good value, and like I said, the shipping will be next to nothing because I do ship with pirate ship, and this does not weigh very much at all. So I wanted to show you what you can create with this, and this is just my design. You can do it however you want, and I'm willing to do a class for those that buy the kit, a live class if they, if there's interest for that. So this is just my design. I did use a couple of little things from my stash, but predominantly everything you need to do this is in the kit. So you can see, here's the top of mine. So I do have that trim going all the way around my banner, the white ruffled trim, and then I do have the piece going across the top. And you can see I've got, I'll show you down below, I've got the ivory lace covering it, and then I've got the piece with the 3 lace under that, and then I've got the rose panel. I did add these sequins from my stash, and I did add this piece of bling from my stash, and a couple of extra appliques. I also added some seam binding at the top and this textured thread. And then down at the bottom, I've got, on both sides, I've got the little flower with the bow, and I added these glass pearls from my stash. But on my dangles, I've got the seam binding, the textured thread, and a little leftover piece of the pearl. So that's the front of my banner. And then I have enough stuff to do the back. So on the back, you can see I alternated the butterfly with a pearl, the medallion. I have the lace covering the back. I did a doily cluster with the 3 vintage doilies, another bow with some pearls, and then I just put a stamp that it was made by me, and then I've got the other butterfly and medallion on the back. So this is what you can make for $20, one of these gorgeous rose floral vintage shabby wall hangings. And because I appreciate that my channel is growing and I appreciate all of you subscribers, I want to do a giveaway. So for everyone who comments on this video, I will be putting your name into a random, random org draw to win the banner here that you see that I've made. So YouTube rules are you must be 18 or over, and my only rule for the giveaway is that you have to be a visible subscriber of my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. So I thank you all for watching. If you would like to order one of these kits for $20, leave a comment below, or you can email me at kimlippincott87@gmail.com, and that's all lowercase, and I'll leave my email in the description box below. So I hope everybody has a great day and a fantastic weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.